Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mark, and I'm glad you're with me today because for this drawing, it's going to be Tweety Bird from the Looney Tunes. All you need for this project is a pencil, an eraser, a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie, and some colored markers. So I'm going to start off with setting up my head shape. I'm going to draw this shape off to the right of our page. So the head's going to be this round shape. It's going to be kind of tilted in this direction, like towards the right. Okay, so Tweety Bird's kind of having the head tilted, and the head gets narrower here where the cheeks are, and as it goes up, it gets wider. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of play around with this shape until I get it the way I like. I might actually get this a little bit rounder and then accelerate this curve quicker here. Okay, so kind of have like a little bit of a quicker curve here. And then if you come down over here, we'll do the same. So we'll come up in this direction and then we'll accelerate this curve like this. Okay, so it's not a perfect like elliptical shape. And it has a little bit of a contour to it up here at the top. Okay, so then now right over here we'll just bulge the cheek out a bit. So we're going to come out like this, and then we're going to just draw this line, kind of come straight across, and then on this side we'll bulge this like that for the other cheek. Okay, and then we'll just faintly leave this. We don't want to commit down here just yet. So this curves up like that. Okay, now we're going to put an eye on the left side. So right about here, if this line kind of continued, you can have like a little bit of a curve here. So right here, we'll do an eye, and we'll draw this like elliptical shape that comes up like this. Up like that, and then we'll leave a little bit of a space, and then we're going to have an eye on this side, and we're going to come up from here and draw this elliptical shape as well, just like that. Then on the inside of the eye we'll do a smaller elliptical shape, just like this. And then inside of that, there'll be even a smaller one for the dark black, like pupil shape. And we'll do the same on this side. So we'll measure out where that top of the eye is going to be there. And then we'll draw that outer elliptical shape like this. And then we'll get that smaller one in there. Okay, then over on the left side, we'll do 3 little eyelashes. And these are pretty long eyelashes. They'll stay inside of the head shape, of course, but we'll just do 3 like that. And then we'll have a little bit of a curve right there. Then we'll do the same on the right eye. And then we'll have a little hair that comes out from the middle. Then we'll do another one up here. And then we'll do another one right about there. Now let's go down and draw the beak. So right in the middle, in between my eyes, but we're going to slightly off center to the left. So we'll draw this line that comes up, this curved shape like this. And then we'll have it come down and bend like that. So it's almost like a little football. And then we'll do a second line that's a little bit closer to the bottom edge, like that. And then we'll have a line that actually cuts through the mouth shape, the beak shape there. Okay, now what we can do is we can tweak this just a little bit. So this is just a little bit too fat, too thick here. So I'm just gonna kind of thin that out a little bit. this. And then I'll kind of do the same on this side. We'll come down, we'll just round this. And then we'll come down from this shape here, and then we'll do a curve for the neck, like that. And on this side, we'll go where the cheek is here, the beak, and then we'll do a line over to the left, like that. All right, now I'm gonna grab a line that kind of comes off of here, and we're just gonna come over like this, okay? I'm gonna do something like that. And then right here, that's gonna be the arm. It's gonna tuck behind the chest. And the chest is gonna curve like this and come down. And we want this to kind of curve almost, now we're almost horizontal here, okay, to the page. And we're vertical in direction. And then this, if you kind of took this and extended this and hooked it back, so it's almost like this number 6 shape, this hook. And then as you come down from here, we'll do an arm that comes over to the right and kind of dips into this corner here. And then we'll have this extended just a little bit more. And then if this was rounded, we'll pop back up here and curve like this. Okay. Then from down this neck, we'll have a little bit of a shape that kind of shows through here, gap. And then this can kind of round like that. So that'll be the upper body. This will be the back section. Then I'll do another line, almost continuation of this, and we'll just do another shape here for the chest. Now we're going to come down over here and create the leg areas. So if you draw a line over to the left, like right about here, okay, and we'll draw a line that comes down and over and then back up. Okay, so that'll be one of the leg openings. And in the middle, there'll be like a gap. You won't have that line there. And then if you go over to the left of the center, we'll go down like this a little bit. And then we're gonna come over like this. And then we're gonna hook back up. And this is gonna be a little bit taller because we're going up in this direction. And again, we'll just have like a gap in there, like that. Okay, now we'll start with the right foot. And the reason I'm doing that is because this left foot is going to be behind it. So we'll come over here and we'll go over to the left, like this. And then we'll hook over to the right. And then coming off of this shape here, I'm going to come down with a slight curvature. And then right about here, I like this thickness here, right about here, I'm going to come and there's going to be a big toe shape like this. And this is probably going to be inside of the head. So if the head is coming down here, let's end this toe shape right where that ends. So we'll come down and this will just round like that. And then we'll have a second toe that rounds like this. And then this is just gonna continue like that on a curve. Just like that. So we have our right foot in place. Now we can go and do the left foot. So this one's gonna bend over to the right. Now you can see how it's kind of going behind. So if you faintly draw this here, then this will start to curve in this direction. Then we can do the other side here, and we'll curve this like that a little bit. So we have this curve, we'll do this curve here. And then this will start coming from there, and we'll do the same thing. So this will come up and around. Like that. And then we'll have a second toe right here. And then this will just meet up. Just like that. Then we'll finish off with a little tail, and we'll do a curve that comes out in this direction towards the right of our page. So we'll come out and we'll come back to a little point right here, and then this side can kind of come down. So it looks almost like a little leaf shape and round like that. Okay, let's go ahead and grab a Sharpie and we'll outline Tweety Bird. Okay, grab yourself an eraser and start erasing those pencil lines. All right, follow along as I color in Tweety Bird. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing Tweety Bird with me today. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos like these ones right over here on the left every weekday. And until our next one, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.